Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use referral codes on Temu best way. So let's get started. So here we are in Temu.com, and from here you want to make sure that you are currently logged in with your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can just register using your Google account, Twitter account, Facebook, and many more methods. So it's very easy to register here in Temu. So once you are now logged in here in Temu.com, what you want to do is scroll all the way down right here, and you should be seeing the affiliate and influencer. This is where you can earn commission. So click on this link or button right here. And now you will be prompted here to the affiliate program of Temu. And this is where you can find your referral codes on how you can use it. And as you can see right here, you can track what you have right here. As you can see, I have my 100 pesos free cash right here. So the minimum, there would be a minimum amount of withdrawal. So that would be 500 pesos if it's in Philippine peso. But if you convert it to USD, it's around $10. So from here, you could already see right here your referrals benefits. So you can just share this link, and then they would have the 500 or the 5,000 pesos coupon bundle, and this is your code right here. So they would get 30% off on their purchase when they are a new user if they use your code here. So you can click on copy, or you could have the free gifts. The link and the code is right here. You can also use this one, and the exclusive deal, you can click on share, and then you would be able to see products right here that you can affiliate. So when you share the link for this product right here and they buy this through your link, you would get a commission from that. So that is basically how it works. And now you can click here on share to earn, and from here you can share this link right here into your social media accounts in order for you to get referrals, or you can just share it with your friends so that they could register on their new account and then use your referral code, or you just click here on copy code, and then you should be able to copy that. So when you paste it right here, you should now be seeing your code, which is this one right here. All right, so now that you know on how you can use the referral code, now all that's left is for your referral to register and then use your code or your link. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.